Hello. Today we're going to talk about 5 meaningful tips for mindfulness in the present moment. First, the past is already gone, and yet we spend a lot of time in the past. So let go of the past. Try to come more into the present moment. Second, the future hasn't come, and yet we spend so much time expecting, planning for the future. I mean, so much it just makes us kind of sick to our stomach sometimes. So let that go, because that hasn't come. Stay in the present moment. Be mindful of the present moment. Actually, when you look at the present moment, more detailed or refined, even the present moment you can't find. It's either past or yet to be the future. Nevertheless, from a practical standpoint, we can use the present moment to our benefit. We can learn and train our minds to be more in the present moment by letting go of the past. When our mind is in the past, just let go of it. Come into the present. When we're in the future, planning, expecting, let go of it. Come into the present moment. And in that way, we can learn how to actually be happier. Now, 4, what is mindfulness? There's a lot of talk these days about mindfulness. I hear people using mindfulness in almost any kind of context. But if I ask people, well, what is mindfulness? People often say, well, I don't really know. So what is it? Well, mindfulness, the word in Tibetan is tempa. Tempa means to remember. So mindfulness is just remembering the present moment, or dropping in to the present moment. So that's what mindfulness means. Then 5, how do we do it? It takes practice. Like anything else, it's something that we need to train, and therefore it takes practice. Now, there's a mindfulness with a capital M and a mindfulness with a small m. The bigger set is mindfulness with a big M, and that's what we've been talking about so far. Learning to drop into the present moment. And then once we do that, we look inside into this rich inner life of our thoughts, our feelings, our emotions, our mood. And when we recognize any of those to be negative and harmful, then we develop the courage to actually work on them, to transform them into their positive counterparts. That's mindfulness with a capital M. Mindfulness with a small m is meditation. And we'll have a lecture on meditation to explain what it is and how to do it. Thank you. Please join us in this series of lectures on working with fear, anxiety, and insecurity.